Aurora police officer Nathan Woodyard's trial is entering its final stages.
Woodyard is charged with reckless manslaughter and criminally negligent homicide in the 2019 death of Elijah McClain.
And today, his defense called their final witness to the stand. They're questioning the response of two Aurora paramedics, which they claim ultimately led to McClain's death.
Denver 7's Christian Lopez has been following this trial and explains why Woodyard's defense is claiming paramedics deviated from the standard of care.
Today was day 10 in Nathan Woodyard's trial. The defense called its last witness to the stand, an emergency physician who was questioned about the training that paramedics go through. Jurors have now heard from the last witness called by Woodyard's defense. They're claiming it was paramedics' use of ketamine that led to Elijah McClain's death.
Any prudent paramedic, any physician, anybody in medicine would say, that's not normal. We need to do something about it.
Woodyard, who testified Wednesday, said he was the first officer to make contact with McClain that evening. He admitted to putting McClain in a carotid hold before calling paramedics, who made the choice to use ketamine to sedate him.
He's so sedated that he has no reactions of any kind.
The emergency physician testified that paramedics in this case deviated from the standard of care by not monitoring McClain after the ketamine was given.
Nobody's doing anything about that. He's just there. They're too busy kind of taking off his handcuffs, leaning him forward. He's not reacting to any of this, which should flag anybody to say, this is not normal.
I thought he was trying to get a gun.
We heard from Woodyard on the stand Wednesday. He said he felt he was in danger, and that's why he put McClain in a carotid hold.
When I applied it, I was attempting to get him to give up.
He also said he would go back and change his approach towards McClain if he could.
If you could go back in time, you'd take back that carotid hold.
Yes.
Friday, jurors will be back at this courthouse early at 8 a.m. to hear closing statements before going off to deliberate. Reporting in Brighton, I'm Christian Lopez, Denver 7.
The two paramedics who administered the lethal dose of ketamine to McClain, Peter Chikuniak and Jeremy Cooper, appeared in court today. Both are facing charges of reckless manslaughter and second-degree assault. A pretrial conference was held today, and a judge decided the case will move forward. Their jury trial is set to begin November 27th. And you can catch up on the trial's latest developments on our website. Just go to denver7.com/Elijah McClain.